Tibay Kyra Cristel Pen, Diligence Award. Villanueva Zoe Brielle M.
By Kane Orchid N, Best in Mathematics and with honors. Ba't kailan po nasasama po dun sa bata? Diretso na lang po sa
Sir Rodolfo Di Pasupil, I have the honor to present to you the 20 elementary completers from grade 6, Blessed Trinity. 13 of whom are male, and 7 are female. They have completed all requirements prescribed by the Department of Education. I therefore request to clear their graduation. By the virtue of the
Tibay, Kate Dangerous, and Best in Araling Panlipunan, Best in English, and with honors. Tibay, Kate Dangerous, and
To give her farewell address, please welcome on stage Miss Kay Catrice and Tibay from grade 6 Blessed Trinity.
To our honorable guest speaker, Engineer Christine Love M. Lagnason. Our school administrator, Ms. Sharinay Lazaga. Our school principal, Mr. Rodolfo Di Pasupil. Our department head, Mrs. Eileen Batain. The faculty and staff, parents, guardians, fellow movers, and graduates. Good morning. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Kay Catrice Tibay. It is both an honor and a privilege to stand here in front of everyone as this batch's class valedictorian. More so, it fills me with immense happiness to welcome everyone to this memorable moment for me and my fellow graduates. Let me extend my appreciation to certain people who made my journey more bearable and memorable. First, to our Almighty Lord for blessing me throughout my primary years and instilling me in the desire to always have faith. To Mama Alice Lazaga, thank you for your provision of building this school, for supporting us, for laughing with us, and for everything that you have done for me and my siblings. To all my previous and recent teachers, friends, classmates in Child Formation Center who helped me with my studies and made my journey worthwhile. To Constance and Angela, thank you both for encouraging me on my studies. Thank you guys for supporting me on my studies and for everything you have done for me. You guys are the best friends I've ever got. To all my girl classmates, thank you guys for supporting me and thank you guys for making my everyday stress-free. You guys fill it with happiness. To all my classmates, thank you guys for making this school year awesome. Thank you guys for making me smile and thank you for the memories we've made with each other. To my Lola Lito, who was the first valedictorian from our family, you are one of my inspirations. Thank you for loving me and for everything you did for me. I love you, Lolo. To all my subject teachers, thank you. Thank you, Pa, for all those things I've learned. Thank you, Pa, for all your efforts in teaching us. To my advisor, Sir John James A. Pontanilla. Sir, thank you so much for all those memories we had. Just like our song says, from those moments into memories. Thank you, Pa, for all your efforts, advice, and support. Your guidance really did light the path to my success. To all the CFC's facilitator, to our principal, Sir Rodolfo B. Di Pasukin, to our guidance counselor, Sir Mar Alan M. Villanueva, thank you so much. We, CFCians, are thankful for all your efforts for this school. To all my relatives who supported me in my dream, thank you. Lastly and most especially to my parents, Aristotle Zaga Tibay and Krishna Medrano Niwa. Thank you for all your sacrifice and for sacrificing your life for me and my siblings. Dada, thank you for taking me to school, for loving me, for taking care of me, for waking up very early to get me ready for school, for the food you cook, and for telling me to never give up on my dream being a valedictorian. I love you so much. Ma, thank you for giving birth to me, for the delicious desserts you bake for us, for the love and care you selflessly give to me, and also for taking me to school. Mama and Dada, I love you both equally. Thank you for providing us with a beautiful and comfortable life. Lastly, to bid my farewell, as I am leaving my elementary life, I would like to close this chapter and welcome a new one. Now, I am ready to hop into my high school life. The day has finally come after 6 long and happy years. Thank you and goodbye elementary life. Hello high school life. Thank you and again, congratulations fellow movers and graduates.
Thank you so much.
Give a warm round of applause for our grade 6 completers.
Windows down on my favorite street. Sunset in the rear, you got nowhere to be. From the moment we feel like the kings and queens. And nothing but a t-shirt and a jeans. We are free. And you feel it too. It's just like me.
And this is when the moment turns to memories. And this is when the future gets so clear to see. And this is when tonight becomes a masterpiece. And this is when the moments turn to memories.
Dagdagan mo yung ano. Dagdagan mo yung pansin. Ano? Lumpiang Shanghai. Gusto ni Mama.
Congrats! Congratulations! Si Kate is gonna graduate. Hi. Yung ate ko po si Kate.
Nako.
Hi. Hi.
Papa, ang saya ako. Kasi diligence award lang ako.
Sarap.
Na, wrong.
Pipinsan.